So me and Courtney are going on a little adventure today. And what we're doing is we are going to Ikea.
And reminisce about our childhood.
Reminisce about the childhood and also see if they might have finally put the wall of knobs and what the hell was it?
Knobs and something. We have to look up Ikea heights, guys. We might link it down below if it's still up on YouTube.
Oh, you did that?
No, I'm saying we should link it in the description.
Oh, all the videos?
At least one of them, just to show what it's Ikea heights is about.
We actually have a playlist.
What do you mean?
We have a playlist of the whole entire,
Well, I'm saying just, like, link one of the Ikea heights and just, you know, so that they know what we're talking about.
Oh, yeah. It's been a while since we've been up there.
I just remember in our childhood, always going there. They had the coolest playground. We weren't allowed to go up with Mom and Dad for some reason.
Their playground is lame now.
Really?
Yeah.
It used to be so cool, though.
Yeah, now it's like...
And then I remember I'm getting them chocolates today. They're these little chocolates. They're just pure milk chocolate. But they're so good.
Are they?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I remember it.
Yeah, don't you remember? We would always get it, and then, like, they stopped going to Ikea. Like, I don't know why we went to Ikea so much, honestly.
Well, I mean, it has good furniture. It's a little bit different now. I mean, the setup, but...
I'm just saying, like, I remember it being really cool experiences.
Oh, yeah. So,
I feel like we always went... Not always went to Ikea, but we were at Ikea, like, enough times so that I remember their playroom and stuff like that.
Oh, yeah?
Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, I feel like we went to Ikea a lot when we were kids. But we were never allowed to go with Mom and Dad. They always sent us to the playroom.
They wanted to get rid of us.
Maybe that's what it was. They were like, oh my gosh, these kids need to freaking release their energy. Let's just go to Ikea. Maybe that's what it was.
Yeah. Well, because it's like a playground in there. Almost.
They had a slide. I remember that.
What is it?
A slide. In their playground. Not a big slide, but like there was a slide and stuff.
Yeah, they don't have that anymore.
Yeah.
But we'll catch you guys when we get to Ikea in Robinson. So, we are here at Ikea for the third time. Well, this is our second time in Ikea here. Because we were in the original flagship.
We weren't.
Yeah. You didn't know that?
We were not.
No. Listen. Listen here. The Ikea store, that's the U.S. flagship store.
In North Carolina.
Yes.
I'm looking this up right now.
You can. Because I know for a fact. I could have sworn.
I know for a fact. I could have sworn.
No, I could have sworn it was the flagship store. Or just a really big store. I don't know. But we're going to go into Ikea real quick. Courtney's going to look up and prove me wrong, probably.
I can't see.
We need to get the information. I need to find out if it's true.
It doesn't have a flagship store.
What?
But its first store opened in Stockholm in 1965. It was a Swedish store.
Yeah, it's still a big store though. All right, never mind.
Wait, we're buying candy.
What?
I'm buying the candy.
Ah,
I don't like your meatballs.
what?
I don't like their meatballs. I don't
Yeah.
like Swedish meatballs.
Really?
No, do you?
They have different things there.
No, I know that. I'm just saying, like, I don't like Swedish meatballs.
How do you not like the Swedish meatballs?
Do you?
I do.
I just don't like the gravy on it.
Really?
Yeah.
Look, there's a bed for you.
Shut up.
It's a
Just
bed
because I
for
can
you.
fit in it doesn't mean it's a bed for me.
It's a bed for you. Oh, look, there's a bed. Right there.
I smell smells.
What do you mean?
I smell smells.
What do you
It's a very
smell?
thin pillow.
Well, it's probably like a it's probably like one of those.
Clean. Oh yeah, it's me and Brad can do that, but
Yeah, they still have the play place, but
dude,
they don't
keep
have.
the camera steady, dude. And up. So where did we start? Upstairs? Or?
Yeah. Dalahast.
Dela horse is Swedish symbol. In 17th century, little wooden horses were sold at markets in small towns and villages in Dalarna in central Sweden. 100 years later, wooden horses were carved by men working in the forest, torn along the evenings, and brought back to the village for the children to play with. These simple wooden horses were later painted in bright colors inspired by the flower patterns hidden on furniture and walls. Families without much money would carve and sell these wooden horses to make ends meet. One such family started a small business in 1928 and still produces wooden dollas, horses to stay in the village of News on Dalarna. In 1939, the Dalla horses were all on the condition of free giant version was placed outside the Swedish Pavilion at the World's Fair in New York. Huh. I wonder if they have them here. Because I would like to get one.
They might.
Oh, I hate stairs.
Well, we could have used the elevator.
Yeah, but we didn't use that.
Over there's the restaurant. We can take a look in the restaurant if you want. All right. So we have
Oh,
started.
daybed. I love daybeds. Just like reading in a daybed is just so cathartic for me. Or not cathartic. I don't know what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
I wonder if these shirts are on sale.
Yeah, they're on sale.
Hey, really?
They're for $12.99.
Are you serious?
No.
Oh, it's just for show.
You know what? You're right. They tell us to stop filming, we'll stop filming. But it's just too much fun. But you know what I don't like about this one though, as much? They don't have the they don't have as many like floor designs. Like they have more of a generic basic like thing to it instead of look, we found it. The wall of knobs and why can't I remember?
It's knobs. I think it's just knobs. But it's very small knobs. It's very...
But it
Not-
doesn't matter. We found it. That's the whole point. We finally found where the murder was.
Oh, is that what happened? The murder?
I think so.
Guys, look up IKEA Heights. You won't be disappointed.
I don't
You
even
will.
know. I don't know if it's still even on. I mean, that's like so old. We've been around. We've been around.
Ikea Heist, episode 1. Ikea Heist, the complete series.
We've been around for quite a while now, haven't we? Look over here. No.
Yeah, there's something. Terraria.
What is that?
I don't know. Oh, it's a drawer liner.
A drawer liner? Oh, okay. So, this right here is an office. This is where I edit my videos.
That's my bookcase over there. Dude, I'd like that bookcase.
I picked it up, and I actually was like looking through it, because I was here the other day. I picked it up and was looking through it. They're real books.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This is a kitchen design.
Like a spot of tea.
Yeah. Here's the thing. I noticed, like, in, like, southern kitchens, like,
Go on.
living in the south, they had, I guess it depends on where you're at. Where we were at, you didn't like what you cooked?
No.
That would make sense.
I want to see if I can get the Delilah.
Alien invasion in Pittsburgh. See, look, open up
Oh my
the book.
gosh, seriously?
Yeah.
Can you buy it? Oh, property of Ikea.
See? There.
Wait, what? Why are we learning about monkeys and stuff?
Oh, I get it. They might get real books and then put a fake cover on it.
Oh. That makes sense.
That makes a whole lot of sense now.
I was like, wait a second, this doesn't make sense. I like these kind of organizers, but I feel like they need...
It's like kind of makes you feel like it's 70s-ish.
Yeah, the wall does make you feel 70s.
But look, you have a background of a backyard.
Yeah, that's our backyard.
Isn't really a backyard.
It's a little backyard. It's still a backyard.
We have a backyard. Not really.
Backyardigans.
The backyard is like front yard. That's our pet ox.